Hello everyone. We cannot direct the winds, but we can adjust the sails. Here we have sixth map that we are going to learn today, and these three direction of winds that we are going to level it on the map. The first one is southwest monsoon winds, and the southwest monsoon winds has to be marked in two places, that is Arabian Sea branch and Bay of Bengal branch. And the next one is northeast monsoon winds and the western disturbance. So let's see how these winds are leveled on the map of India. The first one is southwest monsoon winds. As we have studied in 9th standard that the wind pattern will not change. Wherever you draw on the map of India, the pattern of wind will be same as it is. So when we are asked the southwest monsoon winds, right? The southwest monsoon winds, it is south and it is west. So this is the area where the southwest monsoon winds has to be leveled. So let me show you with the arrow marks, like the southwest monsoon winds has to be drawn likewise. This should not join or should not touch the land, as the question may be asked, draw or level southwest monsoon on Arabian Sea. So it should be drawn on Arabian Sea, right? Should not draw it if it is asked draw the southwest monsoon on Bay of Bengal. So should not be drawn on Arabian Sea, right? So likewise, the tricky questions will be asked on board examinations, and how you understand the questions, accordingly you need to level it. This southwest monsoon is leveled on Arabian Sea, and when we level on Bay of Bengal, the direction wind has to be same as it is, right? The pattern will not change wherever you draw on the map of southwest monsoon. Is it clear? So these directions is always termed as southwest monsoon directions. Is it clear? So now it is in Bay of Bengal, right? So this is how the southwest monsoon is leveled on Bay of Bengal, and it is on Arabian Sea branch. Okay. The next one is northeast monsoon. The northeast monsoon, this is north, this is east. This is the area where we need to level the arrow marks of northeast monsoon, right? This is the direction of northeast monsoon. So you can write north east monsoon. Okay, this is how the direction of northeast monsoon is leveled. If the question asked to draw northeast monsoon on Bay of Bengal or eastern side of this Coromandel coast, it will be same pattern as it is, right? So this is same pattern as it is. So this is northeast winds, monsoon winds. Usually northeast monsoon winds blow in winter season, right? So as we see, the arrow marks are not changing. The pattern of the wind directions are not changing, but it is changing the location. In the board examinations, the questions will be asked very tricky way that you know how to level these directions, but it may be asked draw any of the place, any of the locations to divert your mind, right? The next one is western disturbance. Western disturbance is a low pressure wind that usually originates from Mediterranean Sea and moves towards the eastern side of Asia, this side, right? So as it comes this side, due to the Himalayan mountains, they are directed to enter India. So this is west side, this is northwest. This is western side. The direction of this is western disturbance is likewise, right? It enters in the states of Punjab, Himachal Pradesh, and during winter season they bring rainfall to the parts of Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh during winter season, which are very beneficial for the wheat crops. So this is as we can say, this is western disturbance. So likewise we can label the direction of winds. Remember that direction of winds will not change, but the locations may be changed and you may be asked to draw such type of directions. So do not forget to draw the same direction as it is. The wind direction won't change. Is it clear? Thank you so much. You might have understood, and please view as many as possible and tell your friends who are not interested that much of online classes, and hope you respect, you give importance, you value the efforts of teachers, and I understand how they are working hard to share their knowledge. Thank you so much. Hope you might have understood, and any queries, any doubt is there, please leave a comments on YouTube, and you can personally ask in Campus Care app or in WhatsApp. Thank you so much.